Hello friends, Namaste. I'm going to create this look which is very simple and easy. So let's get into the video. I'm starting with Nivea moisturizer with my fingertips. This is a great moisturizer for dry skin. Now I'm applying foundation with brush and blending gently with Beauty Blender. I'm applying dark brown eyebrow powder with the help of thinner angle brush to make natural eyebrow. Then I'm using this spoolie to fix the eyebrow. Now I'm gonna take some concealer with flat brush to clean the edges of the eyebrows, and I'm dragging it all around the eyes. Then I'm blending with Beauty Blender. Concealer and putting it underneath the eyes, and I'm blending it with Beauty Blender. After that, I'm setting with MAC Losing Powder. For the eyeshadow, I'm picking this warm tone color and applying it from the outer edge of the eye to the inner corner. Then I'm taking black eyeshadow and blending it on upper lash line as shown in the video. Now I'm taking this black eye pencil under the waterline and blending with the small blending brush. And again, I'm taking the same warm tone shade and blending it throughout the lower lash line. Then I'm taking eyelash color to curl the lashes, and I'm putting the Huda Beauty eyelashes. Now I'm contouring with light brown contour powder. Then I'm picking this blush and applying on the top of the cheeks. For the highlighter, I'm using this light color and highlighting all the top of the face. For the lips, I'm applying this nude color as shown in the video. To fix the makeup, I'm using this setting spray all over the face.